Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CPG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and definitely the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $3.20. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below $3.20, I'm not saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could somehow manage to actually stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to start to level off and then eventually start to work its way upwards like that. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, sure, staying above $3.20, that would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price remains above the purple line, then the bulls are in full ownership of the current trend. Now, what about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, and I'm actually going to scrunch up the chart here a little bit, so we'll have to go back into the history here. Next key overall level of resistance is going to be right up there around $3.35, and if the price can somehow push through there, next key battleground after $3.35, right up there at about $3.43. So keep an eye on these next couple of hurdles going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, very, very nice move. Nice way to start off the week. And the week is young, just Monday. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. But yeah, focus on building higher bases and chipping away with healthy consolidation, and everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.